Tishle, May 17 marks the 25th anniversary of Kunsi Penche Rinpoche's disappearance. So it's really a sad day, After His Holiness Dalai Lama endorsed Gendun Chökyi Nyima as the Penchen Lama, who was nominated by the Tashi Lhunpo Monastery and especially the committee formed by the Chinese government led by Chade Rinpoche. So for 25 years, we don't know where Penchen Lama is, what is he doing, whether his parents, even siblings, have access to him, can meet him or not. It's very tragic and sad. But we will not forget Kunsi Penche Rinpoche, and we will remember him till he's released and till he can be with the Tibetans to practice and become a great spiritual leader and a great national leader, as was the 10th Penchen Lama. So on 17th May, we will have a panel discussion in Tibetan language, but especially in the evening in India, 8 p.m., we will have candlelight vigil. And we urge Tibetans all over the world and friends all over the world to light a candle to remember Kunsi Penche Rinpoche and not to forget him, and most importantly, to demand his immediate release by the government of China. Thank you.